March 1st, Heart Transplant. 1 Samuel chapter 10 verses 1 to 9. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. Psalms chapter 51 verse 10. Heart transplants have been in the news a lot lately. A newborn baby was given a baboon's heart and died several weeks later. Several people have received artificial hearts. But even if the heart works well, it will have to be replaced again in a few years. In 1 Samuel chapter 10, God sent Samuel to anoint Saul as the first king of Israel. Verse 9 says that God gave Saul a new heart. This was not a physical heart, but a spiritual one. Before Saul could be Israel's king, he had to have a pure and willing heart, one that was able to know and love God. When we accept Christ, He replaces our old, sinful heart with a new, clean one that will last forever. If your heart and spirit are not right with God, ask Him to give you a heart transplant. You'll be glad you did it. Amen.